Welcome to Creative Cooking with Nella. So today's recipe will be making tripe, also known as Mogodu. If you're interested in how I transform this into this, make sure to stay tuned. Anyway, as you can see, I've already washed my tripe, and you need to make sure you thoroughly clean it using vinegar and running cold water. After I finish washing my tripe, I'm going to toss it in a pan along with my ingredients, starting with the onion. Then you're gonna add your turmeric for color and flavor. Honest, you guys, you can choose to use any type of seasoning for your tripe. I just chose to use the following: 1 teaspoon of garlic salt and 1 teaspoon of Ikson, which is my absolute favorite seasoning, which you can get at any local grocery store. And then you're gonna add your pepper and also a teaspoon of salt. Once you're done, you're gonna mix everything together. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to add my crushed garlic. So you're going to want to add a lot of water in order to cook your tripe, just enough to cover it. After approximately of 2 to 3 hours of constant stirring, your tripe should be ready. So guys, I would advise you to keep checking your tripe while it cooks. I chose to add the carrots, but this step is completely optional while the tripe was simmering. I decided to make cabbage. I added my chopped onion, chopped yellow pepper and grated carrot, and I've added my cabbage. Mix everything. And I've added some red pepper. And mix everything together. Not forgetting to season with salt and pepper. Cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Voila! There you have it, my delicious recipe, and it is also best served with pap and some veggies on the side. If you'd like to see more of my recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!